So over here you can see that I have a bunch of forms in the recent section. And if I were to go to my forms right here, then what happens is that you see the same forms right here. But as time goes by, you may have a lot of forms, but some of the forms may be more important than the others. So if you want to have quickly access to those forms that are important, you can add them onto your favorite section. Right now, there is nothing on my favorites, but if you want to go around and add those forms to your favorite, you can go to the My Form section or the Recent section, wherever you find the form, and then hover around on the three dot button to get the More option, and then click on Favorite right here. So once you do that, what happens is that on the Favorite section, you can see the form right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, click on the three dot button, and then go to Favorite over here as well. And you can see on the favorites, now you got two forms right here. If you want to remove them out from the favorite section, you can click on More Options and then click on the Unfavorite option right here. So once you go around over here and click, then what happens is that it gets removed out from the favorite section. So apart from the favorite section, in the recent section, whatever forms you worked out with recently shows up. But for privacy reasons, you may not want some forms to show up. And in that case, you can remove it out from the recent section as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on More option and then remove it from recent over here, just like this, and the form gets removed. So if the form is not deleted, you can still access it from the My Form section right here, but you can go around and then remove it out from the recent section. But unlike the favorite section right here, you cannot go around and then add them out onto the recent section again, because it adds in new forms that you worked with recently or forms that you have edited recently over here automatically. And that is how you can go around and add your forms to favorites and remove them from favorites, and even remove the forms that you have in recent a section inside of Microsoft Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.